Magandang buhay sa lahat. Enrique Hill new haircut, pinuri ng mga fans. Lalo kasi siyang nag-bloom sa new look niya ngayon. Enrique Hill is at Pagcor Casino Filipino in Angeles City. At spotted din siya with his diehard fans. Paano ba di natin di mahalin ang isang Enrique Hill? Kahit sa mga fans niya, maalaga ito at very sweet. Very humble and kind ang isang The King of Hill. Kaya no doubt, ba't dinudumog ito ng mga fans, pag siya ay nag-show-show. A man, with full of, good character. Siya lang ang nakikita kong, husband material, sweet, and caring.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to